and today we are going to start with chapter 9, that is learning algorithm. So in this chapter we will study about algorithm. We know that being a machine, computer cannot do anything on its own. So to give instruction to the computer, what you do, you use language that computer can understand. So this well-defined procedure to get some work done is called algorithm. इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Algorithm कहते हैं. So algorithm क्या होता है? It's a first step to write any problem in any programming language. So for instance, your teacher has asked you to collect some dry leaves for a science project. So to do this task, you need to follow some steps. Just go to the nearest park or garden. You will collect the fallen leaves, take the leaves to home and wrap the leaves in an old newspaper for few days to dry. So take the dried leaves to school. आप leaf स्कूल में ले जाओ, राइट. एंड इन अदर वर्ड्स एल्गोरिथम क्या है? स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस है. सो टूल्स ऑफ एल्गोरिथम, वी हैव प्रोसीजर, that is we have flowchart and pseudocode. So you may use both the methods as problem solving techniques. Generally flowchart is used for simple problems and pseudocode and it is used for complex problems, right? जिसे हम false code कहते हैं. So now flowcharts are the graphical represent of an algorithm. Flowchart use shapes and symbols to represent activity, the flow lines with arrow. They are also used to depict the flow of data with the program. So एक flowchart emphasize करता है individual steps को, interconnection with the program और various symbols का use करता है. So here are the symbols given for the flowchart. First is start and terminator box. ठीक है, ये क्या करता है? Beginning और the end of the flowchart को represent करता है. दूसरा इनपुट बॉक्स, ये आपका पैरेललोग्राम, ये इनपुट और आउटपुट ऑपरेशंस को रिप्रेजेंट करता है. प्रोसेस बॉक्स, प्रोसेस और इंस्ट्रक्शन जो भी आपको कैरी आउट करना है इन एडिशन फॉर सम कैलकुलेशन का यूज करता है. डिसीजन बॉक्स इज यूज्ड इन ब्रांचिंग एंड मेक द डिसीजन टू बी मेड. वी हैव कनेक्टर बॉक्स जिसमें आपका सर्कल आ जाता है, कनेक्ट करता है वन पार्ट ऑफ द फ्लो चार्ट टू द अनदर. वी हैव फ्लो लाइंस जिससे हम एरो कहते हैं. ये क्या डिपिक्ट करता है? फ्लो ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम वन पॉइंट टू अनदर. Now guidelines of flowchart. List all the requirements should be done in a logical order. Ensure that the flowchart has a logical start and finish. So the flow of information in a flowchart ये क्या होनी चाहिए? Top to down होनी चाहिए या फिर left to right होनी चाहिए. So only one flow line should come out from the process symbol. In decision symbol only one flow line should be entered, whereas outgoing flow lines can be in any number. वो किसी भी नंबर में हो सकती है. So terminator symbol can only have one few line. We have connectors जो क्या reduce करता है? number of flow lines को. These must be used to make flowchart simple. ये flowchart को simple बनाता है और intersection of line को बचाता है. ठीक है, ये आपका जैसे start है, go to nearest park and garden, collect leaves, wrap leaves in paper for drying. Now dry leaves ready for project and then end. ये क्या है? आपका algorithm, right? So this is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.